SlowCast English, Episode 16, Weather.
It's very sunny today.
Yes, the sky is so blue.
Do you like sunny days?
Yes, they make me happy.
Me too. I like going outside.
Do you like rain?
Not really.
I like rain a little.
Why?
I can stay home and relax.
That sounds cozy.
Yes, with tea and music.
That's a nice idea.
Weather changes our mood.
Yes, it does.
Introduction to this podcast. Chat about weather and moods. Nina and Jake discuss their preferences for sunny and rainy weather. While both enjoy sunny days and outdoor activities, Jake also appreciates rainy days for the comfort of staying indoors with tea and music. They agree that weather influences their moods.